Welcome to Kai's Toy Town!
Today we're going to be going through a 2-in-1 Seek and Write sensory bin. It's got different activities for texture and spelling and counting.
We bought this from Target, and I think it is a new brand called Chuckles and Roar.
And it's for ages 3 to 6.
Open it!
Yay!
Wow!
Can you help me open it? There's 2 brackets on the side. Unlocks the box.
I got them. What we need to do then?
What color is that?
Orange.
Orange.
What we do then?
Do the sand, yep.
We have some orange sand. That's good. We have a bunch of like Easter paper
Wow.
mache.
Ooh, look at all the colors.
Yeah,
Yellow, blue,
A
green.
bag of bugs.
Ooh, insects.
Ew.
Buggies.
That's always fun. We
What's
have
that?
a measuring or a cup, something to scoop the
And
sand.
then
Is that what you're going to scoop the sand with?
We have 2 tweezers, red and blue. We have a container to mix in. We have our numbers and letters in different colors.
we have diamonds.
Diamonds.
We have a bag
Wow.
of beads,
Orbeez.
different colors.
And
You might
and
want
money.
And we have a bag of colorful diamonds.
And money.
And pirate money. There's flashcards for different ideas of recipes to mix up for your child to mess around and have fun with.
With a diamond.
Oh, we have a dice.
Diamond.
All right, let's set this up.
Like what do stand for? What do stand?
Okay, now that we have everything all set up, we just found out that our Orbeez are going to take like 10 to 12 hours until they get bigger. So we're going to go ahead and dig in our sand and find our stuff in the tall paper grass. And we'll wait and maybe we'll make a sequel video of our Orbeez.
Yeah.
So it comes with a bunch of letters and numbers of different colors that you use to spell and complete your different activities.
I picked my bird. What one? I will try him. I try him bird.
Comes with a bag of bugs.
I will try him. My bed.
Careful.
You have your pirate money right here.
Kai, you show them the pirate's money?
2 tweezers, a
A
dice to let you know what object to get.
And the weather,
Colorful diamonds,
and
different
What?
stones.
Here, you want mommy to see those, and mommy will
The
cut those all out
sand,
for you, okay?
the orange sand that you can draw and spell.
for what? Mom?
And the bucket to use your paper mache. Now you want to reach in there and feel that? What's that feel like to you? Ty? What does that feel like? Does that feel good?
Here, mommy will do those. You want to
It comes with flashcards that you actually use and set up right here, and it can give you different activities and recipes that you can make. It comes with a container that when you're done with your magnificent orange sand, you can put it
So
back.
sparkly. I don't know if they can see how sparkly the sand is, but it's very sparkly.
Trust me, it's very sparkly.
That is so good, Kai.
And
What
last
letter
but
is
not
that?
least, it comes with very detailed
One.
and
Oh,
good
that's a number.
illustrated directions.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Not confusing at all. Very simple.
And a letter. Ooh, bless you. And that.
Mama.
All right, are we ready to hide these bugs, Dad?
We are.
Let's put the buggies in the paper. It's too bad our Orbeez aren't ready, but they'll be ready soon, huh?
Oh, I like that.
I know.
An
We have
ant.
to wait, though. So they can get bigger.
That's a grasshopper.
A yellow grasshopper.
Banana.
True.
Wait, you don't.
Is that a wasp?
Wait. Until Daddy hides all of them.
I gotta hide them. I don't know what that thing is. A roach.
Ew.
Oh, we like those. Those are ladybugs.
You what? Ew. Ah!
And a
that's
dragonfly.
Mommy. No.
Hey, go for
Put
it,
it in
Ty.
there. Okay, where's your little tweezers? Does he need the tweezers?
I think he can get it with his hand.
Okay, find the buggies. What is that?
Bye.
A bug? How about the treasure too, Dad? Should we put the treasure in there?
No, and then.
I'm gonna hide 2 gold coins
And then.
and 2 colorful diamonds. And see if Kai can find them.
Wait, don't look, Kai. Close your eyes while Daddy hides it.
Okay, find the buggies.
Hey.
No, the buggies.
Oh, finish the buggies and then we'll do the pirate's treasure. Okay, we'll just start with the pirate's treasure.
Oh, there's one of them. Did a good job there.
What color is that?
Diamond.
Do you know what color that diamond is?
What color is that?
A buggo.
Say yellow.
What color is that one?
What color is that? You gotta tell him the color. Color blue.
A buggo. What bud?
All right, Kai, we have roll and find. So can you roll the dice? What is that? A diamond. You gotta find a diamond. Where's the diamond? I think I see one. Oh, try again. Good job.
Good
What color
job.
is that, Kai?
Red.
Red.
Red diamond.
Very good. Okay, roll the dice again. Ooh, a capital A.
We're good.
The color red. Can you find a capital A? Nope, that's a little A. Good job.
Good job.
Show him the A. Can you say A? All right, roll the dice. Ooh, a bug. You gotta find the buggy. Try on this. What was that? You don't know. What is that?
Oh, it's a buggy!
It's a bug!
Where you put it?
Put it with the treasures. Stinky bug.
No.
Okay, roll again. Ooh, treasure. Can you find a golden coin? Yay! Hold the golden coin up, Kai. Look what he found. Okay, put it with the treasure. Can you roll the dice again? What did you get? A Oh no, look at the dice. What did you get on the dice?
I didn't.
Oh, another diamond.
Ready?
Yep, grab the diamond. Ooh, what color is that? Green. Good job. Whoa. Okay, roll the dice. And another golden coin. Good job.
I got a coin.
Wow. You found most of those,
I
haven't you?
think you did. What is there left? A number 2 and a little A. Okay, roll the dice.
2. Good
Oh,
job.
good. Can you find the little 2? What is that? Can you say 1, 2? Can you hold 2 fingers up? Good job. That's enough. Whoa,
So
dude.
much fun he fell.
Gotta be careful. Okay, I think we're done with that one.
No, we're wrong.
Oh, is there another one? Okay. Oh, what is that? Is that the little A?
Open it.
Kai, what sound does A make? All right, I think we're all done with that game. I'd say that this toy is a pretty cool toy, and we are going to have lots of fun with this when our Orbeez are done. But Kai is going to play and do his thing.
Do what he does best.
Wait, again. Good. Do you buy bird? The bird?
What is that, Bob?
Hot dog.
A scorpion. Ooh, don't want to run into one of those. Mm-mm.
My bun.
What kind of bug is that?
I don't know. With bumblebee?
You want to play with the bugs?
Me. I'll go by bird. Bing. Hi, Dan. Okay.
Oh, are the bugs hiding?
Now, Dan. I got that mine. That one.
Say, no.
Oh, well, we're hiding for you.
All right, Kai. We are going to say goodbye to our YouTube watchers until our next video. And Kai's going to continue to play with his sensory bin, which this is a fantastic toy. What do you think? Do you like it? Okay, do you want to say subscribe
Guys,
to
my
Kai's
toy win.
Kai's Toy Town?
My toy town.
And thumbs up.
Don't bum up.
Yeah. Bye-bye.